So I just want to share a project. We fondly call it Project Nostalgia. So kasi may mga nostalgic elements dito sa bahay. So yan. You can see the gate and then the sliding gate for the garage which slides on the side. So of course may motor yan, but right now we're still waiting for the motor. So let's go and come inside and have a look. So pagpasok mo, meron siyang receiving area or foyer. And then with that is a large sliding door towards the outdoor garden. Then yan. So the layout, gusto ko kasi is medyo private siya, kaya kumbaga pag open mo ng door, unlike yung iba namin mga ginawang project, medyo nakatago yung mga living areas niya, tsaka dining, and then the kitchen. So this is the living, dining, and kitchen. So dumating na rin yung dining table ni client. I think it's 11 feet long. And as you can see, siyang 8 meter wide na floor to ceiling glass with the sliding door the middle para nakikita mo yung swimming pool which is outside, and then there of course there would also be some greeneries there. A very open layout siya. And then this is the kitchen. And track lights tayo, pero meron tayong mga provisions for center lighting. Yeah, we used a PVC panel for the interior ceiling, and then 60 by 120 Kalakata gold tiles. And then quartz yung kanyang countertop, and even the splashboard. The client opted to upgrade for a quartz splashboard. Marami siya mga pull out for storage areas, and all the doors are soft close. Yan, the quartz backsplash. Okay. Then yun, everything that it's designed for, even the garbage bin you have for your utensils, again, they're all soft close. So under the stairs, of course, we maximize the space. Meron siyang storage area and powder room. So yan, very spacious pa rin yung kanyang powder room. And we're going to the guest room downstairs. So yun yung design namin sa ceiling. We kept it simple, but because of its simplicity and the elements we added, they all work. So maganda naman yung kinalabasan. Yan yung kanyang toilet and bathroom for the guest room. A glass lavatory, and then backlit mirror. Okay, and then let's go upstairs and have one look at the stairs. Okay, jalousie window, yan. One of the features of this house is we use jalousie windows for the most part, for most of the opening niya, so that meron tayong almost 100% ventilation. As you can see here, pag-akyat mo ng second floor, bungad sa yung family hall. Perfect for a little bit more intimate family gatherings. And then this is one of the bedrooms upstairs. So this will also be used as an office. And then overlooking mo yung buong subdivision, you have a full view of the entire subdivision. Yan. Then you have this tempered glass railings, pero just for an added effect, naglagay kami ng powder coated molding sa taas niya. And even the bedrooms here, kapag umaga, actually the whole day, basta maganda yung hangin, napaka-presko dito. Our designers worked well for the cross ventilation, and then our engineers also coordinated them para ma-achieve yung mga opening at saka wide spaces na gusto nila. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, all the toilet and bath are typical. Pero it worked. At the end of the day, we always say na kung ano yung gusto ni client. And if it works, then it works. Iba-iba rin naman kasi tayo ng taste. So yan, paglabas mo dito sa isang bedroom, meron siyang parang coffee corner dyan. And then these are faux wood planks. Going to the master bedroom, so this is the master bedroom, yan. Ayan yung kanyang accent wall, which is a cement finish. Same, we use ceramic tiles for the flooring, and then PVC panel for the ceiling, and then some track lights. Pero dito sa master bedroom niya, meron tayong dimmer. Meron pa tayong pa-dimmer effect dito. So, they can control the amount of light. Then again, yan, meron din siyang 8-meter wide na opening. Napakaganda kasi ng view sa likod. There are future developments there. And then this is the master toilet and bath with the his and hers lavatory. Yeah, meron lahat tayong mga niche. And this is the walk-in closet, and then labas tayo. Tignan natin finally yung kanyang master bedroom balcony, which is as wide as the master bedroom itself. So yan, perfect morning coffee and morning sun yan. So imagine waking up each morning, dahil morning sun siya, nakita mo yung sunrise. And even the outdoor, meron tayong mga PVC panel. And yan, overlooking mo yung swimming pool, pero hindi pwedeng mag-dive. It's not recommended. Pero you would enjoy the view, of course, the sound kapag gumagana yung filter ng pool. So, that's it. Thank you.